Wait, if I don't talk, it's a glitch, okay? You're pushed to talk.
Nobody land outside. Okay, land in the main building. Nobody land separate. Agassi, can you come in this hole over here? Right over here, this hole.
Nah, I'll come, Karen. Don't worry, I'm done.
Okay, fine. But don't ditch me, okay? Like every time.
No, I'm landing here no matter what. I'm landing on that gun.
On that gun? Okay, wait. I found a blue charge.
You ditched me.
You.
You actual.
I'm coming. I'm right.
You ditched me. You just ditched me. Wow.
Come fast. Oh, look who's here. Mr. Agassi. We can camp here the whole time. Oh god, mace. One of my favorite stuff. Ayan, can you come here?
1 minute.
Dude, this is
oh my god.
Healing from
Agassi's nice. Oh my god, dude just jumped at me. There's somebody here. Oh my god!
Someone is in the disguise booth. Someone is in the disguise booth.
You say you good?
Kind of, I just killed a trio though.
Wow. Wow, just wow.
Did you just kill the whole trio? Yeah. Oh. Wow.
Guys, take minis. Everyone take minis. Everyone drink minis. Everyone drink minis. Everyone drink minis.
I'm a big.
Okay.
I'm taking this big.
I have chugs, guys, I have chugs.
Everyone come close.
Guys, come have chugs.
Everyone come close.
Everyone come have chugs.
Come here. Can someone give me 12 metal? Can someone give me 12 metal?
Oh my god, my game froze. Okay. Yeah, okay. Someone's healing here.
I'm side waiting to a rapid fire.
If I smack you off the game, I really don't care.
Play like book speeds.
Agassi lagged out. Yeah, Agassi lagged out.
Wow.
Bucko.
After all of that, you're like, Bucko.
Bucko, you're good there.
Wait, Agassi's dead. Agassi's alive. Yes. Agassi's dead.
Agassi's back.
Agassi.
He's kind of lagging. He's kind of lagging.
We got Agassi back to life.
I the wall.
I can only say one thing. Wow.
Wow.
Kids at the wall, guys. Kids at the wall. Kids at the wall.
I'm helping. I'm coming to you guys.
Kid is cracked. No.
My game keeps on freezing. How did you guys fit out of this?
Fill the phone for God's sake.
I'm coming to save you guys. Don't worry, I'm here.
Do it on me. Right there.
Oh my
Agassi, drink the big
god.
pot. Agassi,
Guys, I
go drink the
need
big pot.
shotty shells.
Agassi, go drink the
I
big
need
pot.
some shotty shells. Guys, I need shotty shells. I have only 3.
Yeah, come here.
I don't have
I
a
don't
shotgun, so
I'll
give you
5.
7, I'll give you 7.
No, I give.
Okay, it's okay. I got them.
I'm going down.
There's a route right here.
Yeah, on me. Manic, whatever. I'm dead, guys. Help.
going to Ayan
Oh, solo. I want 30
Knocked one, guys. Knocked one.
Blue charge.
with you.
Thanks, Agassi. Yeah, there's a guy somewhere here. I don't know where he is. So I got my finish.
The
Don't mind me, just getting something.
Yes,
Don't
the
tell
wall.
me about both the
No, I have a scar. I don't have the wall. Yeah, I have a scar. I'm running out of shotty ammo.
guys, I don't think so. I think the wall's open. Somebody opened the wall. I guess.
No, I
I'm
don't
not
think
sure.
so. We
Gliding
didn't.
creep.
No, kids with the grappler. Kids with the grappler.
Oh,
no,
Good nature, guys. Oh, you're in the building. Guys, in the building.
Building. Isa come.
Wait. I'll go get those guys. I think
Calvin can
he should have the grappler.
Thanks, Calvin. It's so good. Thanks. What the hell is aim assist?
I need help, I need help. Guys, I need help.
Yeah, with you.
I knocked one.
There's one skin
Crack
very low.
one. Cal, one guy's under you, so be careful.
There's a kid as well as behind.
I got one.
I'll just take the breath.
Oh, look at the golden scar. Who wants a purple scar? Who wants a purple scar?
Just solo one HP on me.
I got the other.
Went back home.
Who wants a
You're
I got
so
one
good.
purple scar.
I have a purple burst. But
I
I
have
just
a purple burst.
I marked it right here. I need
I have a
shield. I
vest.
don't have any shield.
What shotgun does this guy have? Oh,
Agassi, I have a med.
oh, I would love a med. That thing's tasty, you know.
Yeah, anyone has any?
The chopper. Yeah, the chopper.
I don't.
I will shoot it right now. Whoa! Whoa! I won't do it.
I don't have any shield.
I contribute.
I
Oh, we have
have no
13 kills. We have like let's try to get a 20 bomb if we all can. Like all 20, all of us should get 20 kills.
13 kills. I just realized.
Wow.
I have 9 kills.
Bro,
I have 2
I
kills.
have
I
two.
contributed. I have 2
Anyone has
kills.
any maths? Anyone has any maths?
I
I don't have any maths.
I have, but not a lot.
Isa, can I have the grappler since I'm even lower than you?
Oh,
No,
Agassi,
because
Agassi,
I have
I'm
no
Agassi,
max,
I'm
so I'm
in.
not, I
Agassi,
can't
I'm
even
Okay, I
build.
got minis. I got minis.
I actually need to farm double sinking now.
I just need 1 mini. I just wish we find a guy who has like max on all max.
Yeah, exactly. A whole squad full max every match.
Like someone like Falcon, like you just no, like someone like me actually. I would just farm a lot of money.
You just fish all game, dude,
Shut up.
and then you die early. That's the only thing we
Yeah, like when you tried the Rito challenge, huh? You kept dying like 3 games back to back. You died.
Shut up.
This guy fishes so much and he dies. Oh, I need the big pot.
Will you get it?
Rasi, can I have the big pot? Can I have the big pot?
Yeah, sure.
What is this
Thank you.
able?
I marked the purple scar.
Oh, yeah.
Where's it?
Cal.
Yes.
Calvin, you're so far away.
Coming. On the way.
I'll go back to him.
Oh my god, I got shot.
Where
I
we
need
are?
the big
Do you need a med?
Oh, okay, fine.
Wait, they're right here. What? They're right here.
I'm trying to need one.
The kid at top crack.
I'm getting griefed.
All on top grass. I was the other guy at 50.
Oh, these guys are really good.
Ah, I got
Get so
cracked.
started.
I
I'm so
know
sorry.
I got one.
Order solo, guys. Go on height. Height is low. Height on height. The person on height is low. Dude, I got.
I got one.
Can you split the match?
Solo, got him.
No.
What happened?
This
happened? What
stupid
happened?
Google Play.
You're
What the
getting
hell?
feature.
It was Google Play has stopped. Like so dumb.
Google Play? What the crap is a Google Play?
Oh wait, what the hell? Guys, it's
There's a whole different
guys,
team
35
behind them.
35 on the guy with the bouncers. There's one guy.
farming.
Yeah, Ryan, you do know you're alone, right? There's a whole different team behind us, by the way.
Wait for me then. I'm not going to stay behind and fight all
Nah,
of
it's
them.
okay. I don't mind going solo.
Oh, Hayan.
This guy tried to.
Guys, there's a dude gliding on
Crack
me.
that kid, Ayan, crack this kid.
Where is this? Oh shit! Getting cut.
My god, like why you have to grief me, man? Get a life. These kids only see me, I swear.
By the way, guys, I got the mythic stuff. The shockwave launcher. No, the shockwave.
Oh, I need help. I need help
I
right
broke
now.
someone down. I think I broke someone down.
I think you broke.
You broke me
Cal
down.
needs help. Cal needs help.
You
No, I thought
Give the launcher.
guy
Give
on
the
me.
launcher to Calvin because
there's
he's
another-
low on health.
I need help. I'm medding up. I'm medding.
It's a whole Sparkle specialist. What the heck? It's a whole squad of Sparkle specialists.
Oh, perfect. I'm just camping height like
Yeah,
usual.
yeah. Okay, just because I'm a lighter, I think you have to just DM. I don't know. Observe.
Okay, I'll just sit up.
This is guy
Calvin,
building that
I
build.
got the kid. Oh my god, he's so...
Where are you guys?
There's a person below here.
Grease him.
Calvin, I dropped
Calvin,
the...
take the launcher. Calvin, take the launcher.
Oh shit.
Where the
I got
heck are
it.
these kids
There's a guy
at?
trying to come height.
Guys, I need help.
I know, but
Calvin,
I
take the
don't know.
launcher. Calvin, take the
I
launcher.
can't. There are three people right next to me.
Don't. Man, don't.
I
Stay there, stay there.
beam. One guy beam. Onagashi reboot.
Stay there.
Anyone have
Guys.
a launch pad?
What the heck? This guy's in zone. This guy's trapped in zone.
Wait,
This guy's trapped in zone.
Agachi, wait.
He finished me, but he's still stuck in zone. It's a scrim.
I'm not opening chest over here.
Calvin, go for the yeet launcher. I dropped it down.
Where is it?
Calvin,
It's
look
okay,
up.
just let... You can actually bring that it down.
No
Nice!
match, guys, I have no match. I have no
Take
match.
his loot.
Then don't give me match. I have no match. Like zero match.
Come to Calvin.
Yeah,
Relax.
Calvin.
First of all, relax.
Oh, no match.
There's loot right over there.
I
Calvin,
don't have
split some
match.
of your wood and brick.
Yeah, zero.
RPG again.
I have no match, Calvin. Can you split fast? There's a guy on
Come
height.
here.
The guy on
I'm gonna
height.
drop you a
Split
message.
wooden brick.
There's nobody on high. There's nobody on
Guys,
high.
I'm
There's nobody on
no,
high.
there was a guy. The guy
I
was
dropped. Take.
No, he died. Calvin killed him.
Let's go.
They will launch
The kid is all the way down.
Guys, this is the bot here. The bot here.
RPG. Do you have RPG?
25.
It's a bot.
RPG ammo.
He's for a bot. Easy.
No, I don't have a gun. I don't
There's
know.
like 7 shots. Come on.
From up high, he sniped you.
Yo, I'm right next to the default box.
Easy the last kid is a bot. Easy
get
Stop
it.
talking.
Get it.
I hate it when people talk a lot. Please, just don't talk.
Bro, he's drinking minis.
I get scared.
He's a
Just don't
bot.
talk. Okay, I don't care. He's a bot. Just don't talk. Please.
Man, why are you
Don't
popping
talk.
a big? He's absolute garbage.
Bro, look at him.
This
He's
guy,
shooting
don't
at
talk.
me.
Just don't talk, man. He's telling you guys not to talk. Don't talk.
Let's go.
Easy dog.
Kills. How many kills?
I don't know. Let me check. I have to check. Let's
Is
go.
that 10?
I have 5.
I have 5 kills.
I have 5 kills too.
That's
22.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.